we are here in my 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range. We are going to be changing this dashboard to this right here. It is a a replica carbon fiber cover. On the back, you have double-sided tape. So it pretty much you just clean the surface, put alcohol, and just mount it on top, and you are good to go. So upon checking out my dashboard here, I did notice a small crack on the corner over here, which would have been a difficult checkup when you do your delivery checkup. So if you are doing that, just make sure to check the panel on the top corner here for scratches or cracks. Let me see if I could find it here, show you guys at least. Oh, it's kind of hard, guys. It's right on here on the top. So I don't know if I should claim that because the hassle of sending it and removing this panel. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I can do. But technically, for the folks out there who are wondering if this is real wood, no, it is not real wood. It's plastic, guys. That's why there's a crack there. Anyways, let's get going with the installation. So here is my alcohol wipes. You just pretty much alcohol the surface here so that we can get rid of all those debris or whatever is on the surface, so that the double-sided tape can stick properly. And then I'll do the side here as well. All right, so just let it air dry and it should be good to go. So I did try the matte black on this and it just didn't look too good, guys. It just made the Tesla look cheap, so that's why I went with the carbon fiber instead. Okay, so it's a two-piece setup for the dashboard, and I did notice that when it comes to having this installed, you do notice there's a little small gap right here, which is slightly bummer, guys, that it's got a gap between there, very, like, maybe I don't know how much, but there it's noticeable, the gap. So it sucks, but it is what it is. Because of the double-sided tape, it made it a little bit it raised the panel a bit, so that's the reason why. Or perhaps if I could just lift the top portion and push it like that, it might work. Just align the bottom portion and just elevate the top part. It should be able to work. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do it like this. Just elevate the top part here and make the bottom flush to the bottom portion here. So you know what, it's okay, I'll just leave it as is, because it might get more complicated when I lift the top portion up here. Okay, so all I need to do is just remove the sticker. Okay. And then this portion, okay, now this portion is here, goes over here. All right, so just push it down. Apply pressure so that it sticks on there. All right. So there you go. That's what it looks like, guys. Right away, it looks so much better, guys. So much better. So I'm gonna try to close this, since this portion of the panel was already quite close together. I'm gonna see if this thing will actually hit or not the side, and eventually, you know, causes damage, or eventually this panel will start falling off due to the impact. Let's take a look. Hold on, I'm gonna close this. Okay, so there you go. It is a tight fit, but I think it's not hitting there. But time will tell. We'll see how it goes, but there you are. I'm going to take a picture here so that you guys could really see it more. It looks so much better, guys. So much better. It makes the car more sophisticated than it was with the fake wood dashboard. All right, guys, so I got it fully installed, and this is what the final product looks like. It looks really, really good, guys. Okay, let's get a closer look. Some more here. Okay, so the side fits very, very well. Okay, the only negative I have with this is that, as you know, this thing is a two-piece, one here and then on the other side. There is quite a bit of a big gap right in the middle. Let me see if I could film that or capture it on video. So right in the middle there, guys, there is a big gap, okay? The good thing about it is that we don't really look at that area there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but we don't really look at that area unless if you really want to check it. So from this point of view right here, you can see it, the gap. But again, we don't really pay attention looking at that area unless we know to check in that area. Okay, so right here, the same, you could see it. And right here. Okay. So if you can tolerate that, this product is amazing. If not, then this product is not for you guys. It's best to get you a piece that is a one piece instead of a two piece, so that you don't have that gap in between. But to me, I don't mind. It's okay. It just made my interior much better than when it had that wood grain pattern. I prefer having this instead. All right, guys, so I switched to my cell phone, and this is what the final product looks like. It looks really, really good, guys. that is the gap right there. You'll notice a little gap at the bottom. But sitting far away, you'll not notice it. And this is the top portion, middle, like what I was saying. That big gap right there. Once again, you will not notice it. It's right in the middle, and we don't really focus on that area. So unless we know that there was something wrong there, then we'll definitely notice it. But some folks out there who doesn't know will not look at that area. Plenty of gap here, whereas on the other side it is a quite tight fit. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link in the description below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video.
That's my secret.